Hey guys, monsoon is here and one thing which we all are scared of during monsoons is food poisoning. I mean, we catch stomach infections so easily during monsoon and that just messes up our entire system. This is why guys, today I will be sharing some really effective home remedies to cure food poisoning at home. Let's get started. Let's look at our first home remedy. Did you know that yogurt is excellent in treating food poisoning? Yes. This is why for our first home remedy, the ingredients required are yogurt and fenugreek seeds. Let's take a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt to it. Yogurt is an effective and convenient method to cure food poisoning as it has antibacterial properties that help fight the bacteria causing food poisoning. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to the bowl. Fenugreek seeds have a high content of soluble fiber which absorbs water and adds bulkiness to the stools, which helps the food to move along. This property of fenugreek seeds helps to treat abdominal discomfort. Also, please make sure that you swallow the seeds and not chew them. Make sure you do not consume this after 4 p.m. I am now going to have it. Let's move to our next remedy. When it comes to treating food poisoning, asafoetida or hing is something that comes instantly to our mind. For the next home remedy, we require the following ingredients: salt, cumin seeds and asafoetida. Take a glass of lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. The salt solution is a great natural way to treat food poisoning as it contains electrolytes which can help maintain normal bodily function and prevent dehydration from vomiting and diarrhea. Now add half a teaspoon of asafoetida to it. Asafoetida is an age-old kitchen ingredient and has antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory and anti-flatulent properties that help to alleviate problems such as indigestion, upset stomach, and has also been found to be beneficial in cases of food poisoning. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. Cumin seeds can reduce stomach inflammation and eases abdominal discomfort caused due to food poisoning. Now mix this well. You can now have it. It has a very strong flavor of asafoetida. You can consume this drink 2 to 3 times a day to get relief from food poisoning. Now let's move to our next home remedy. Did you know that lemon juice is not just a hydrating drink but also beneficial for treating food poisoning? For our next home remedy, we require the following ingredients: water, lemon juice, sugar and salt. Take a glass of water. Add 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice to it. Lemon juice is one of the natural medicines for food poisoning as it destroys germs. Lemon is high in antioxidants and acidic in nature and helps in detoxifying the digestive system. Now let's add sugar to the glass as per the taste. Sugar contains glucose that can help to speed up the rehydration process. And lastly, add salt to the glass as per the taste. Salt is a great natural way to treat food poisoning as it contains electrolytes which can help maintain normal bodily function and prevent dehydration from vomiting and diarrhea. Now let's mix it well. I will now have it. It is very refreshing and you can drink it daily to prevent dehydration. So there you have it, easy and effective remedies to treat food poisoning. Let's have a quick recap. For our first remedy, we used yogurt and fenugreek seeds. Make sure that you swallow the seeds and not chew them. For our second remedy, we used cumin seeds, asafoetida and salt. Now mix this well. And lastly, for our last remedy, we used water, lemon juice, sugar and salt to treat food poisoning. Mix it well. Before you use these remedies, please make sure that you consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Let me know guys what worked for you well. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.